lovely viewers, this is Sweet Ohima. Today we are going to make one of the most delicious tomatoes recipe. Now let's start by peeling our garlic and chopping the onions. Now this is our cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are the smallest tiny tomatoes that you mostly find in the market or the village. In Ghanaian language, we call it fadiebeji or ajuadede. Ajuadede yentosibia, eyede pa, and so nipa dodo na antenyu so, if isaya na ni chichanso, eya. At this moment, we are adding our habanero pepper, the garlic, the chopped onion, and the boiled egg. Let's sprinkle a bit of salt and sugar. I'm also adding a cheese. That is optional. If you don't have a cheese, you can also add butter for flavor. Let's drizzle over with some oil, preheat your oven, and then bake for just 5 minutes. You can also garnish with some basil leaf. That is optional. There you go. I served mine with a toasted bread. This was so delicious. You can also serve some with rice and any other food of your choice. It's very tasty. Edwani we ubetumi de na ewia kete bia bo achese ekombi di wono ene unya o soft drink bia na chese wo de abo ene o toasted bread so ana ubetumi nso de edimu ana se bayre so wo salad bi nso wo ho a opese wo dress dia ene is very good for salad dressing too. Now food is ready. You can also give it a try. If this is your first time of being here, kindly try to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.